Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today video, I want to show you the 5 tips you have to know on the Microsoft Word. It is easy and then clear. Let us start on the first one. The first one is numbering index. How you can putting the index or numbering in the table. So the first one, look. So like this one, we have the table for our product. Um, let me do this one like so make nice, and then you have to put in here the index instead of typing 1 2 3 something like that. So we have to go to the home and then go to this numbering, and then you choose this one, right? You see, already it's numbered. Even when you're putting like, you see, already automatical insert, and then you add something, you know, put money there, direct. It's saving your time, already it's saving your time. Yeah. And the second thing, even when you do it, you see, already automatically index nice. This is the first one. So let's go to the second one. I have the, the content here. Look, this one. This one is normal content. Then take this one is a header. Sometimes you need to put uh, this one in the header one. Let me put in the header one. You look, you see, the color is green. So you have to know how can modifying the color of the header or something. This is the second. Don't forget. We have to go to the header and then go to modify and then go to changing color, right? Even when you need to be bordered, you have to put this one. If you even when you need to changing to the font Times New Roman, it's okay. Yep. If you need to putting the line anything, it's okay. You can put it. See, look, nice. This is the second thing. Okay, let's go to the third one. Even the third one you have to do on this content. So the third one, you see, look, this space and the space between the word, the content is not the same. The paragraph, in the paragraph and the distances is the header is not the same. How can you creating so when you look the some when you're reading the some book or some publishing paper, you can see the distance is the same. So, but in normally in the word is not the same. So, how can do it? This is sad tips. So you can do this like one. Go here. You see, on normally is this one. So go to remove space before paragraph. You see, add, add, remove. You see, nice. You see how it look like? Now the distance is the same thing. Remember this thing. This is the third one. Let's go to the fourth one. The fourth one is this one. So sometime look this one. I put this one, but when you're writing in the word, you don't know how. And then when you're reading the book, sometimes the paragraph started with the space. How can I do this? You don't need typing like this. No, no need. Just there is one tips you have to do. Just copy, go on this line. You see, we are in the home page. Go here and then go click here, and then you say first line, and then you put in the distance centimeter here. You can put in 1.5. You see, the moving 1.5 forward. It's so nice. Okay, let's go back. This is another thing. This is the fourth one. Let me show you the fifth one. know these things. So the sometimes the first line is supposed to be starting on the from the zero, another second from the second line started in the middle. So how you can do it? Select again and then go here again, choose handling and then put 5, 1.5. Look, you see? Nice. Don't forget, I think I tell you 5 tips right now. In the few minutes, you can learn more. Don't forget to subscribe and then watch this video. If you like it, please in the comment. So I will make many video, many tips for you. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you.